Hello and welcome to Dataczar. Today I'm going to show you how to create a website through connect.dataczar.com. The surprising thing that most people don't realize is that every account comes with a website already created. So when you created your account to log into Dataczar.com, a website was already created for you and it's real easy to access. I'm going to show you how. The first thing you do is you log into Dataczar.com and it's going to take you to your dashboard. Now, in addition to creating a website, you also have the option to find and register a domain for your website at any time, and we'll cover that here shortly. So to access your website, just below the dashboard button, you're going to go ahead and click on the website button. And what this does is it takes you to your public preview URL, and this is where you can immediately view your website. And remember, it's already there. It's already been created for you to access at any time you log into your account. You're also going to see posts, pages, and settings, and these are the editing tools for editing your website. So be sure to watch our tutorials on editing or adding to your website for further detail. Let's go ahead and click on the public preview URL, and just keep in mind that this is a fully functional and editable website. You can work on it as much as you like, and then you can register your domain at any time. A couple key things you want to look for here is, this is the home page here, just the start. This is your welcome post here. There's also a sign up for newsletter, and there's some social media links. We preloaded our Facebook page and our Twitter, and then also our Instagram and our YouTube. So those are already there. And your contact information would be here. And then this is the name of your website. You can adjust that at any time as well. Let's go ahead and go back to Connect. And real quickly here, under Posts, if we wanted to edit that post, the welcome post, we could do that anytime right here. We're not going to do that today. Then on Pages, if we want to edit the pages, we just scroll down here. We can make this big and bold and large, give it a little bit of color, and center it. And then anytime that you're going to change anything, always hit update to save your changes. And then we're going to go here, refresh our screen, and voila, there it is. There's our adjustment. The other thing we could do right now is we could maybe remove our post, and again hit update and refresh the screen, and it's gone. So it's a fully functional editable website for you to edit at any time. The other thing is, for adding social media, you're going to go down here to Manage Accounts, and then you're going to click the Edit button. We have ours preloaded, but you just take your URL, the complete URL, and you would paste it in. So you take your Facebook URL, paste it in here. Anything that you paste in, just make sure you always hit update. And that's going to take us back to our dashboard again. So let's go back to websites where we started. And the only thing left to do would be to register our domain. Again, it's your choice at your convenience. You can do it here or you can do it over here. They're both the same. I'm going to punch in AAA webinars, see if that's available. And it is. So we would be able to register that. And if I click that, it would register. And that's it. That's how you create a website.